In this short video, I'm going to share 3 things that you will almost never hear from public schools and especially the mainstream media.
That's a bold statement.
A bold statement.
How can that be?
How can that be?
Well, let's find out.
Number 1, many skilled trades allow you to earn while you learn. Through apprenticeship programs and other vocational training, you'll have the ability to acquire a skill that will give you an amazing career without acquiring the massive college debt that generally goes along with getting a 4-year college degree.
I was not aware of that.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I didn't know that.
And number 2 is artificial intelligence, or AI. Applications like GPT Chat are amazing. They do some really cool stuff. GPT Chat just came out less than a year ago, I believe, and it's already taken over writing and reports and programming by storm. Well, this is not going to stop. And what's going to happen in the near future is many jobs that require a 4-year degree are going to be outsourced to artificial intelligence. Why? Well, AI, once you make the initial investment, doesn't require time off, doesn't require any benefits or anything like that. Never going to ask for a raise. That's just how it is. So it's just a matter of when this is going to happen, not if. Now, skilled trade jobs like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, just to name a few, require human judgment and reasoning that AI is not going to replace anytime soon.
As I indicated, Admiral, that thought had not occurred to me.
I had not considered that.
I had never considered that.
And third is the high demand and job security for skilled trade folks. There's a constant demand for skilled trade workers in America's economy in all sectors. As office buildings, data centers, pipes, power lines, things like that get older and our population continues to grow, the demand is only going to grow for skilled trade folks. Also, there's been a lot of data out there lately that shows that over the next decade, we're going to have a lot of existing skilled trade folks retiring. So this will drive and accelerate the demand for skilled trade folks and provide amazing job security and flexibility in where you can work in this great country. For more information and resources on skilled trades, make sure to stop into skilledtraderescue.com. Once you're on the site, check out the Discover Skilled Trades page, and down at the bottom is the forum. You can scroll through and see what's going on the forum without registering. If you want to ask questions, you can simply register for the forum, and you'll be amazed at the responses that you get. I highly encourage you to check that out. Also on the site, we have access to the podcast, our blog, our free ebooks that will help you turbocharge your career. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.